The product is a program that helps you identify and create a formula combination for destroying an ED condition. The product is about an ED-destroying formula, a combination of measured amounts of ingredients that you can use to rectify your current condition of ED. It is a comprehensive guide on how to make different formula combinations with natural ingredients. It has been made easy to understand and paint by a number of steps that are set to automate the entire process. Who is the creator? Bill Tharpe is the creator of ED Destroyer. Being a victim of the ED interaction has made him dedicate this work to save more men from the ill fate of using Viagra. There are already some thousands of people using the secret formula to restore their manhood. The results are astonishing and have so far been successful out of all the users. This newfound secret can help you reverse your ED, restore your confidence, penis health, and even your relationship. The formula has been tested and proven to work on the gunk that is trapped inside your system. It thrusts the blood flow back into your penis so that it pulses with desire whenever it is required. What does it entail? Inside this comprehensive guide you will find a full list of all the different ingredients and combinations of the formula depending on your personal needs. This will help you increase the amount of NS in your body system. This will, in turn, boost your nitric oxide production, how and when to consume the ingredients for you to get quicker results. From there, you can choose any combination you would like, how you can modify the program for your own specific needs. This is essential since other combinations without the modifications can have you walking around all day with a massive bulge in your pants. Or if you are not a victim of ED and you just want to acquire a powerful erection and extra length, you can easily adjust the program to suit you. This ED Destroyer is completely natural and safe for use. There are no side effects at all for this formula. In addition, it has been tried and tested. What can it help you solve? The formula can help you restore your confidence, manhood, and the energetic pulsating periods of erections in your life. Moreover, this tested and scientifically proven formula has been observed to add inches to your penis, all in a matter of days. This is not about overcoming your stress, nor is it about the focusing of the mind. It is about getting your mojo back and never again having to pay out the nose for drugs. This is a waste of your valuable cash on something that won't work and will do you more harm than good. The working principle. Basically, there is a chemical compound that is released by the body known as nitric oxide. This compound is the one responsible for allowing blood to fill up the veins on your penis, causing it to get hard. However, supplements of these compounds cannot work alone on their own as other programs would advise you. The compound requires a catalyst in order for it works. There is one element that must be incorporated into the compound for it to work. Without it, then your penis would just end up soft. The element is identified as an enzyme called NS. This element creates and releases the nitric oxide, and it is when the compound is released that you get an erection. Therefore, if your body lacks NS, then the nitric oxide would not be released. It is the same case when your nose gets clogged if your body is low in vitamin C. The result is you catch a cold, the same way your penis gets clogged and won't erect if you are low in NS. What's the catch? This secret formula uses natural ingredients that stimulate NS. What's more is that these ingredients are available at the local supermarket. Even though this is what you require to get your mojo back, what you have not been told is that it only works when taken in the correct amounts, at given times, and in given combination. This is what the ED Destroyer guide will reveal to you, as well as all the regimen you need to follow to get you on track. The reversal is imminent with this formula, and you can bet that you will be fit and full of your mojo once again. What is the format of the product? The product is presented to you in the form of an encrypted checkout page. While purchasing it online, you will be directed to a secure page. Upon completion of the checkout, you will be given access to the entire ED Destroyer program. How simple is that? This also implies that you can view everything from your tablet, smartphone, or even your computer. Alternatively, you can download the material content of the program or print them out and share it with whoever would need it. This natural and completely safe solution to your ED is just a step away from you. It takes seconds for you to acquire